project, so you can see the way the walls were formed and all of that, all the different steps. And I'll share you on LinkedIn a Google Drive link with a bunch of the videos. I'm also putting together a video where I kind of narrate through the whole process.
Okay.
So that I can give people a really clear picture.
I want to see those ones too. So if you can share it with me, I would appreciate that one.
Yeah.
So this is considered as a living room, right?
This is the kitchen.
Kitchen.
And that's the living room, dining room area.
Right.
Yeah. This is again like a home for charity. So it's for women's shelter for homeless that will shelter 2 families. And then there's 2 houses down. That is Pacific Lifeline. They're the ones who own all this property. So all these homes around here are also part of that they own and they house.
So this is a duplex. One here and then
we'll go on the other side next.
Okay. Hold on. So kitchen over here. What part of it has been printed? So
all of the walls except for these
this
walls.
one is not.
These ones, the interior walls, they did stick frame for some reason. But again, that was a contractor's decision. We normally 3D print all of it.
Gotcha. How about the roof?
The roof was not 3D printed.
Gotcha.
Because the reason it wasn't for this is it has to match the surrounding one, so we couldn't have it really stand out and be an example of 3D
It'll be
printed.
exactly the same as the other roofs.
Yeah. It's everything has to match in this.
Is it part of the association here or it is not? It is.
It is. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, so you got a permit from the association and also from the city.
Right.
Interesting. Okay. So that's kitchen, and then we have the living room over here. Just go over here too. So I do have. What are these 2 ones? Bathrooms.
One of these is, let's see.
Also the other one.
These are closets. This is the only bathroom. And
That's
then this is where the electrical panel will be.
Okay.
Beds. One bedroom with a closet.
Let me just bring my camera too.
Put that in there.
So this is the bedroom, right?
Yeah, that's the bedroom and then the closet there as well.
Interesting. Okay, and then that's the second bedroom.
Second bedroom, yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, so for like a luxury home, we could arch everything. We can do stuff that would be more custom, and it would really.
But it's basically the frame. These ones are not part of the print, or it is part of the print.
This one is not. There's only a couple walls that are.
This is not.
This one should be.
It should, yeah.
Yeah, and then that's the only one.
Okay. Can you show me the other room too?
Yeah.
I mean the other house.
Kitchen on the left. So all the electrical's kind of in the middle on this.
It's very similar to that one, right?
Pretty much just a smaller version, right? Good amount of light at the windows, but then this wall that was printed down the middle, all the electrical work for the kitchen is just split on each side.
Interesting. Okay, and then it goes.
And you got. This is actually this is a bathroom.
Is it maybe a laundry?
Oh no, yeah, you're right. This is a laundry room.
Yeah.
On the other side there was the same, and then this is the bathroom. Separate main panel, and then the 1 bedroom.
Interesting. That's
So
nice.
it's so you have 2 separate meters.
You know how much did it cost for them to finish it, or?
I was told it was $225 a square foot, finished, land, permitting, finishing, printing, all of it.
$225.
$5 a square foot. Now there's a lot of excess steel in this. I mean, they're using number 5, like freeway steel. They went way overboard, so they spent a lot more than we normally would. But because it's the first one, and we're inviting all the counties to come out and see the way we're doing it, and we're getting engineers and we're showing them how viable 3D printing is, we went way overboard. And every engineer and structural engineer I showed this was like, this is like a fortress. I was told it'll withstand a 8.0 earthquake.
Wow.
So it is.
So fireproof,
Yeah.
earthquake proof.
Fireproof, earthquake proof, no mold, no rats, no termites. Yeah.
So comparing with
Really
the
good
normal
water seal.
finishing, so
Hey. Finishing up the painting? You finishing up painting today?
No, I won't be done today.
Oh, you won't be done?
I still gotta run the windows.
Okay, okay.
Back tomorrow.
Okay.
What's going on?
I'm with the 3D printing company. I met you once before. I'm just showing this guy. He's looking at maybe doing a project of 300 homes.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah.
That looks pretty solid.
Yeah, it came out really nice.
You can't put a tack in the wall.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah, you need one of those Diablo drills to put like a concrete screw in.
Really?
Yeah, 'cause they're solid walls. Yeah, and if you got like little kids running around, you don't want them. They can't put their head through the wall, right? That happened to my little cousin, right? He was running too fast in my dad's house. He tripped. His head went right through the wall, but you know, it's
oh wow, that's
paper.
Good. Yes.
So it didn't really hurt him. But this will split your skull.
Oh, it does. Wow. So this is all printed.
Yeah.
So printing up to third, right?
Up to the bond beam,
Yeah.
right? So that's for the truss and the roof, and yeah. So we printed over this. We put the wood frame, and then you just print right on top of it. That's an actual 3D printed concrete layer right there that you
I see that one.
Yeah. And then it cures, and then it's all one piece. Becomes monolithic once it dries.
I love it. That's beautiful. Thank you
Yeah.
for sharing it with me.